Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the service. FastLoanDirect Express Loan Review, a comprehensive overview. Are you facing an unexpected financial hurdle? Need quick access to funds? This FastLoanDirect Express Loan Review will provide a detailed look at this service, outlining its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. All the links from this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. FastLoanDirect acts as an online loan matching service, connecting borrowers with a network of lenders who specialize in express loans. It's designed to assist individuals dealing with urgent financial situations, such as unexpected medical expenses, necessary car repairs, or other unforeseen emergencies. Loan amounts offered through the platform typically range from smaller sums up to $5,000, although the specific amount you qualify for will depend on your individual financial situation and the specific criteria of participating lenders. One of the most appealing aspects of FastLoanDirect is its simplified online application process. The entire process is completed online and typically takes just a few minutes to complete. You begin by providing some basic personal and financial information through a secure online form. FastLoanDirect then utilizes this information to match you with lenders whose offerings best align with your financial profile. This platform is particularly helpful for individuals with less than perfect credit histories. Many of the lenders within their network consider a wider range of factors beyond just your credit score, potentially increasing your likelihood of approval compared to traditional loan applications. Once you've been matched with potential lenders, you will receive loan offers detailing the specific terms and conditions. These details will include the interest rate, the repayment schedule, and any associated fees. After carefully reviewing and accepting an offer, the funds can be deposited directly into your bank account, often as quickly as the next business day. This rapid funding makes FastLoanDirect an efficient option for those requiring immediate financial assistance. While FastLoanDirect offers a fast and convenient borrowing solution, it's essential to thoroughly review the terms and conditions of any loan offer before acceptance. As with most express loan services, interest rates may be higher compared to traditional loans. Therefore, ensure that the repayment terms are manageable within your budget to avoid potential future financial strain. In summary, FastLoanDirect can be a reliable option for those requiring quick and easy access to funds in emergency situations. Its user-friendly online platform, extensive lender network, and accessibility to borrowers with varied credit backgrounds make it a viable choice. For more detailed information and to explore this service further, check out the links provided in the description below. I hope this review provided valuable insights into FastLoanDirect Express Loans. Thank you for watching.